Revive tired soil with a simple trick. Use the water left after rinsing rice. This starchy water feeds soil microbes, sparking life underground. Pour it on your soil to invite earthworms and boost soil health. Earthworms are your allies. Look for them, not grubs. Feed the soil and your garden will thrive. Rice water is packed with starch, pure energy for soil microbes. When you pour it on, bacteria and fungi multiply rapidly, creating a microbial bloom. This bloom is a dinner bell for earthworms, who feed on these microbes. Worms are drawn from deep in the soil to feast on this sudden abundance. Rice water works faster than compost, which takes months to break down. Think of compost as a slow-release meal, and rice water as an instant energy shot. Rice water doesn't replace compost, but it jump-starts the soil's biological engine. This method mimics nature's cycles, feeding microbes which feed worms, which build healthy soil. Feed the soil, and the soil will feed your plants. The rice water trick is a rapid way to activate this natural cycle. It's a perfect example of working with nature, not against it. Simple, fast, and effective. Making this soil booster is easy. Just rice and water. Place a cup of uncooked rice in a bowl. Add 2 to 3 cups of non-chlorinated water. Swish the rice vigorously for a minute or two until the water turns milky. Pour the cloudy water into a watering can, leaving the rice behind. Apply the rice water to damp soil around your plants or over a garden bed. Don't worry about precision, just drench the area you want to treat. For best results, use the water from rinsing 1 or 2 cups of rice per garden bed. Apply once or twice a week for 2 to 3 weeks to build up microbial life. After that, reduce frequency. This isn't fertilizer, so you can't burn your plants, but don't overdo it. The goal is to stimulate, not saturate. Consistency at the start is key to attracting worms. Soon you'll see your soil come alive. After applying rice water, microbes multiply fast, binding soil particles into crumbly aggregates. This improves soil structure, making it more porous and alive. Within a week or two, earthworms arrive, tunneling through the soil. Their burrows improve aeration and drainage, helping roots access oxygen and water. As worms eat and digest, they leave behind castings, nature's perfect fertilizer. Castings are rich in nutrients and help soil hold its structure. Worms transform raw soil into a superfood for your plants. This method is ideal for reviving depleted or compacted soil, raised beds, or new garden plots. In mature, healthy gardens, it's less necessary. But for poor soil, this trick can fast-track a thriving ecosystem. It's a simple way to lay the foundation for a healthy garden. Watch as barren ground becomes a bustling, living system. The transformation starts below the surface. Rice water is a kickstarter, not a long-term solution. For lasting soil health, combine it with compost and mulch. After worms return, add a layer of organic mulch to protect and feed the soil. As soil life grows, you'll see greener, more resilient plants. Once your soil is teeming with worms and looks dark and crumbly, reduce rice water use. Use it as an occasional boost, not a constant input. The goal is a self-sustaining ecosystem, not dependency. Feed the microbes and you'll get worms. Get worms and you'll get living, breathing soil. Focus on the smallest life first, the rest will follow. That's the secret to a truly great garden.